In front of me is NUBIA Air, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable adaptive brightness. Start by opening Settings and tapping on Display section right away. Now click on this switcher next to Automatic Brightness, available under Brightness slider, to switch it on. Switcher is blue, or switch it off. Your switcher will turn gray. But most people miss that you can do it much faster on daily basis. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access Tab menu. Then click on this eye icon on the left of Brightness slider. And if it's blue, that means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same icon until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!